The disaster continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, the disaster. What is the disaster? Would that you knew what the disaster is. On that day, men shall become like scattered moths, and the mountains like tufts of carded wool. Then he whose scales are heavy shall dwell in bliss, but he whose scales are light, the abyss shall be his home. Would that you knew what this is like. It is a scorching fire. You know, that black hot fire, and you know, that attachment like it's your mother. But we're reminded to wait. You know, in the Egyptian Book of the Dead, don't use, well, it's a template. There's so many different versions, right? But there, you know, you're weighed against the feather. And if you're light rather than heavy, right? Or, you know, the other way to say that your deeds are weighed.